Arrive in style with this 2010 Ford Shelby GT500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: trip computer, intermittent window wipers, manual transmission, interior air filtration, power mirrors, compressor, intercooled supercharger, multi-function remote, trunk hatch door tailgate, and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.